Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I just want to tell you guys what's been going on lately and what my strategy is for selling stuff now. Actually, more buying stuff. So it is October 13th today, and it just started getting cold the past few days. Today's Saturday, and I didn't end up going to yard sales yesterday or today. Yesterday it's because I had to work, and today it was just like kind of cold. I didn't really feel like getting out. Plus we're having a party at our house tomorrow, so we have to kind of get ready for that. But the main thing is it's starting to get cold, so garage sales in Indiana are kind of winding down, and that's not going to be a sourcing spot for the next 6 months probably. So I'm going to have to find another way to start buying stuff. I'll probably start going to more auctions, but for right now I just have so much stuff from Goodwills, from garage sales, that I have not listed yet, and I just don't think I should be buying stuff right now. So probably for the next month, I don't know, maybe the next few weeks I'll be just going through my death pile, listing stuff on eBay and Amazon. A lot of it I can just send off to Amazon, so that'll be pretty quick. But eBay stuff I'll have to put on shelves and ship out when it sells. So I might have to buy some more shelves because I really do have so much stuff. But that's really it. I'm just gonna avoid buying stuff right now. I might go to Goodwill every so often, but if I don't really see a huge deal, then I'm probably not going to buy anything. So that's kind of it for right now. I'll see everybody next time.